if you want to support the driver's door for safety, you can put, some metal in the door to support.
Brief discussion of what needs to be done to this vehicle for Derby preparation.
Okay, all the glass, all the plastic, anything that's not metal needs to be taken off the car, with the exception, of course, of the tires. The hood and the trunk, all the latches have to be taken off, and the springs, and the hood and the trunk chained down to get more rigidity to the car.
I see.
Both front and rear. The bumper covers, plastic bumper covers, are taken off already. You'll see, and these are the bumpers. This is a stock class. We're in a modified class. We'd actually take out this shock and push this bumper all the way back to make it even more rigid.
My God, this is some good American steel.
That's some good American steel, probably straight from China. The battery is going to be padded.
Yep.
Because you don't want your battery to, and all these posts are going to be cleaned up, and I'm going to shine up all the posts, use a lot of duct tape, liberal duct tape use, keep these battery posts on, and then pad the whole battery so that in the event of impact, which is inevitable, the battery is not going to be broken. The air conditioning system's got to be removed and the Freon taken out. And that's pretty much basically it.
Here's a little project I'm working on right now.
Right.
Just take off this paneling, take off this, try to get all this glass out of here without actually breaking the glass.
Yeah, because we don't have glass flying around in Jason's face when he's out there racing this Demolition Derby car.
And I come home, I get off the bus, I greet my wonderful brother Jason with a hug. He is placed himself in the back trunk and he is playing with wires. I inquisitively ask, "What you doing?" He says, "Well, I just cut 50 wires and they go to the computer." I said, "Wow, that is the definition of fail."
Yes, this is a dangerous time. We all go through these dark periods where, as you can see, we've cut a massive number of very important wires. Okay, we've done a lot of work here. We may have the wire problem fixed. What do you think, Lavina?
I don't know. I'm just gonna take
I don't know either, man. All we can do is see if it starts.
But we do need that driver's side mirror gone.
Some heroes will rise, some heroes will fall, but the dirty bomb will explode forever.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got the camera.
Careful, Lavina.
It's like whack-a-mole.
Well, if you were gonna take it, you'd take more.
Okay. Cut. Alright, now let's see. Back window.
Can you see?
Okay, I'm starting at like a low corner or something.
One. Start at a corner. It's not even moving.
It's like, oh yeah, I forgot you're a guy, you like breaking things.
Little bit of a battle wound, but that's okay. Alright. Tested out my helmet and my neck brace tonight, and I'm feeling pretty good. I know I'm going to be scared, but you know, the track is pretty small. You can't get a massive amount of speed, and let's face it, I'm in Lincoln. It's huge. And I think I'm going to have a little bit of a competitive advantage. And my designated number is number 1, so I feel pretty good. Check in tomorrow. Okay, it's 7 a.m. on race day. I barely slept at all last night. I got a lot of work to do today. What's up, racer?
What's up?
Give it a rev, man.
Gotta get my seat out of low ride.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's how I roll.
Rev it.
Remember that one?
Rev it. Okay, it's 12 noon. We've got most of the rehabilitation of this town car complete.
Taking a video.
Taking a video. It's really sunny up there. Reed's sitting on the roof. And basically, the only way to get out of this car now, since all the doors are chained, is to climb up through the sunroof. Which is what I'm gonna do.
Why don't you please get down? I want to get the dirty bomb part here,
Okay.
so you can read the words.
Dirty bomb.
Jason, how you feeling?
Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty anxious. I survived this match. Dirty bomb is almost completely destroyed. I hit this wall. They said I broke off this wall. Number one. Oh well. I definitely knocked some people out of the race though, so all I wanted to do was knock some people out. I definitely did it. Yeah, took some hits. Took a nice big hit on the driver's side door here. But I had plenty of padding. Did just fine.